Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. The book we are talking about today is Kafka on the Shore, written by Haruki Murakami. This book revolves around Kafka Tamura, who is 15 years old and is in high school. He's the son of Koichi Tamura, who's a sculptor, who's afraid of an inherited prophecy, which is similar to that of Oedipus' prophecy from the Greek mythology Euripides. The book starts off with Kafka's 15th birthday, and he's giving a gift to himself, which is he's running away from his home and starting fresh. This book is set in Japan. There are three storylines parallelly taking place in the beginning. One is the Kafka storyline, the other is an investigation happening about something that took place during the war. The third one is that of Nakata. He is old and he's not that bright. All the three storylines starts unfolding and eventually connects to one another towards the end. This book is a fantasy, and even though it's not a thriller, there are subtle twists and shocking moments here and there, which makes this book really interesting and keeps you glued throughout. Another great thing about this book is that there are a lot of characters. They're all simple, imperfect, yet deep, and they give us life lessons subtly about life, the world, and human relationships and everything. I'll be talking about some of the important characters in the novel, and the first one is Kafka, the protagonist. He's imperfect, naive, raw, and yet strong, yet vulnerable, and trying to figure out how the world works. And he shows immense growth and progress through. Another important character in this book is Nakata. He's old, very innocent, and has special abilities. And when I say special abilities, like really special abilities, you have to read the book to know what I'm talking about. You kind of realize that his innocence is his strength and his superpower. The way he looks at the world and his perspective towards the world is very refreshing. Then there is Oshima. He's a supporting character. He's a friend and a mentor to Kafka. He stands by Kafka no matter what throughout the entire novel. He keeps making references to classical music, classic books, and he's also very strong and smart person. He reads a lot and he has learnt a lot in his life by reading. Then there is Miss Seiki. She is the most central part of the book. She's mysterious, alluring, strong yet vulnerable. There is an inexplicable pain about her. The more you read about her, the more you want to know about her. There is Mr. Hoshino. He's a very fun character and makes everything fun. He initially starts off as a supporting character. He's just a simple guy who just does what his heart says. His relationship with Mr. Nakata is very endearing, and he eventually becomes a very important part of the journey. The story keeps oscillating between dreams and realities, and the characters are also trying to figure themselves out and are constantly torn between dreams and realities. What makes this book wonderful is Murakami's writing. He writes wonderfully about the complexities of human emotions and the myriad fabric of human relationships. Read it if you want to spark your imagination, and it also sparks emotions that you've probably never felt before. It is simple and yet it is complicated. It's unconventional, metaphorical, and all about self discovery. It's like entering a dream world where real and unreal kind of coexist. And his writing is simple yet elegantly complicated. It's deep yet subtle, especially the narratives where these three parallel stories starts miles apart, yet they come together eventually to form one whole world. uh, that is his powerful writing, and you just can't figure out what it is. You can't quite put your finger on it, but you just enjoy yourself while reading this book, and you just give in after like reading a few pages. So I highly recommend you read this book if you want to read something refreshing or You want to feel like you belong in a fantasy world. Thank you for watching, and for more such videos, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.